In this video, I'll show you how to add terms and conditions to WooCommerce using two different methods. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so on our demo site, we've added this terms and conditions here using method 1, and that's using the default WooCommerce settings. Okay, no plugin required. And then method 2, we'll be adding our terms and condition checkbox using the all-in-one checkout plugin. You can use a free version as well, that's absolutely fine. And we can just add this terms and condition checkbox here. Okay, we can also customize the fields and your checkout page design if that's of interest to you using the same particular plugin. Okay, so if you do want to go with method 2, adding our terms and conditions like this, I guess the beauty of this as well, we can actually specify where we want to display this terms and condition. So we can add it anywhere on this particular page. Okay, so we can add it at the top or even at the bottom. So if you want to use this particular method, then you will need the all-in-one checkout plugin. So just head over to aovup.com and go ahead and download this particular plugin. I'll leave the link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just make sure you got your terms and conditions page ready. If you've already done so, skip this section. I've timestamp everything in the description below. So I'm just going to quickly create a terms and conditions page. So I'll head over to pages and then I'll click add new. Here we'll add the page title and then we'll just add our terms and conditions here. So to add this terms and condition, I use termly.io, so you can check it out if that's of interest to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish this, and then we'll go ahead and enable our terms and condition checkbox on the checkout page. So let's head back over to our main dashboard area. And then let's navigate to WooCommerce and then settings. And then now we'll navigate to advanced. And then here where it says terms and condition, we just want to search for our terms and conditions page, right? So I'm just going to search for terms, and it's this one here, which I've just created. Okay. And then we can just hit save changes. And now when we view our checkout page, we should see the terms and condition checkbox on the checkout page. So let's double check this. Okay, and here we've got this terms and condition checkbox here. So customers can go ahead and read your terms and condition, and to proceed with their order, they need to agree to the terms and conditions. Okay, so this is method 1. Now I'll show you method 2 in adding your terms and conditions. Okay, so for method 2, we're going to be using the all-in-one checkout plugin. You can download a free version. That's absolutely fine. Assuming you've downloaded and installed this particular plugin, we'll head back over to our dashboard. Okay, so we'll navigate over to AIO Checkout. Then we'll create a new checkout form. And then all we're going to do is click on this settings icon here. And then we'll want to select checkbox. In fact, let's create a new section for our checkbox. Okay, so I'm going to remove this section name. And then let's drag and drop this checkbox down here. Okay, so let's hit settings. And then for the label, I'm going to say I agree to terms and condition. And then I'm going to actually link to our terms and condition page where we say terms and conditions here. So we just need to add a basic anchor text. So we'll do /a href equal quotation, and then we'll close this code. And then again, at the end of where it says terms and conditions, we'll do less than sign /a and then more than sign. Okay, so we just want to add the link to our terms and conditions page within this quotation mark here. Okay, so we've added that fine, and then we're just going to set this field to be required. So let's head over to design. We can choose our theme default design, or we can use one of our pre-made design, or build one from scratch if you're using the pro version. So let's just hit this design here. We'll click on settings, select enable, and then we'll set this as our global checkout. We'll give it a name, it's just for internal purposes. And then let's hit save changes. So let's refresh our checkout page now. Okay, and then here we've got our terms and conditions checkbox. Okay, so let's actually remove the default WooCommerce one because it looks a bit messy this way. So let's head back over here. Let's navigate to settings, WooCommerce settings, advanced. And then here we're just gonna uncheck that particular page. Let's hit save changes. And now let's refresh our page. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below.